So it is time for our language lesson for today. And today we're going to be continuing on a little bit of what we started yesterday. And we're going to continuing on that today. So today, share my screen with you. Good job pushing play to get your lesson started, by the way. As I said, you're going to be continuing on what you started yesterday. So we're going to continue our work on our awesome scrapbook writing activity. So hopefully you're doing beautiful work, not quick work. You need to print off another one there. These are available on your Google Classroom so that you can get it just great. So you're going to keep on filling in the sections according to what the title is or the prompt is. Write words and draw little pictures to go along with each one. Color in the frames, make it look beautiful. Have a look when you feel you're finished. Take it to someone in your family, an older sibling or parent, or someone who is taking care of you today and saying, what part do you like and what part do you think I could do better at? And then you can make those adjustments. And then you're going to be working on your Bellwork 21 again. Bellwork page 21. Now you already got started with this hopefully yesterday, and you're going to continue working that today. The part that you're going to be working on, I've scribbled with a yellow highlighter. And the first section I'll explain to you is this section here, where it introduces a word to you. You need to work out what this word is. It's probably a word that you have heard before, but perhaps it is not one that you use very often. Maybe you don't use it very often when you speak or when you read, but that is great it is just great to learn more words, to add to our vocabulary, our list of words that we use often in speech, in reading, and in writing. So it does say that this word is an adjective, and it uses that word in a sentence to help you understand what that word means. All right, and then you need to draw a picture of the word. So draw a picture of something that represents that word. Next, it says in this section to write your spelling words on the line. So on this squiggly, scrolly line, you're going to start at one end and print your words along it. You're going to turn your page as you go so that you can print your words as neatly as possible. What are the words this week? This week, we do not have a spelling test. Yay! But we are going to be using the words from Spelling Week 12. So Spelling Week 12 right here, it says spell words with long I or E sound that are spelled with Y. So the word has a Y, but the Y makes the long I or the long E sound. And we're also going to review short and long vowel spelling patterns and study contractions. So a contraction is a word is made up of more than one word that are squished so tightly together that a letter pops out and you replace that letter with an apostrophe. So here's an example of one of those. See if you can figure out what two words that represents. Okay, so if you're going to be using these words, these 12 words from Spelling Week 12 on your scrolly line. And then you can also read through the sentences that are here. Again, there isn't a spelling test this week, but look for ways to use those spelling words, those words in extension activities. Maybe look for them in your daily reading practice, or maybe write a little journal note to me using some of those words. Just be creative in how you use those words this week. Okay, maybe you're going to use some of those words in your scrapbook writing activity. That is all that you're going to do from this Bellwork page 21. All right. I'm just going to stop my sharing. And again, if you have any questions, please pop in and ask me what your questions are. And I will answer those on my Zoom link. Go ahead to do that. I'd love to meet with you, and have a great day. Do your best.